Hey y'all, if you want to see how I create my homemade spritz for longer, thicker hair, then stay tuned. Let's chat a bit about the herbs we'll be using. Definitely have to include fenugreek. It provides slip and definitely aids in hair growth. Not only do I love the smell of cinnamon, but this thing stimulates the scalp. Like henna, without the coloring properties, cassia strengthens the hair and gives it shine. Brahmi is rich in antioxidants. It thickens hair strands and adds fullness. Neem relieves itchy scalp and prevents dandruff. But honey, amla is by far one of my favorites. Its vitamin C content keeps the hair rich and dark and conditions like no other. This recipe calls for a bunch of Ayurvedic herbs, but just use your favorites. I happen to be a hoarder, so my stash is stacked as F. But fenugreek, cassia, or henna and amla should definitely be included, if nothing else. Oh, and make sure you're using purified or distilled water. Now combine the water and the herbs. It looks pretty muddy at first, but don't be scared. And that's what the mixture looks like. Apply a lid or cover to the mixture with plastic wrap overnight. The next day, you're going to want to pull out your strainer, your cheesecloth, or nut milk bag. You can also use stockings. I'll link all the ingredients and supplies down below, don't worry. So we're going to strain the liquid. It can get very messy, but you want to get all that nutrient-filled liquid. But don't squeeze too hard now. Don't go too hard. Don't hulk it, because we don't want the powders to escape into our spritz. You can stop here, but I'm extra, so I'm going to add glycerin, oil. I'm using sesame oil today, and essential oils for fragrance and added benefits. I'm using lavender. I also use a preservative, but you can simply store this spritz in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. This recipe makes about 14 ounces of hair goodness. Now it's time to pour the spritz into a spray bottle. You can also add aloe vera juice, which I did a few days later. And there you have it, a super easy, effective, and affordable hairspray. You can use it as a leave-in in your moisture routine or to refresh styles. I use it for both. Let me show you how it works if you're still unsure about how amazing it is. In this video, I'm using it for the liquid in my LCOS method: liquid, cream, oil, and styler. It strengthens and primes my hair for the moisture that is to come. It has some slip because of the fenugreek. I then follow up with a traditional leave-in as my cream. And at this point, my hair is getting nice and soft. And see how my curls pop. I top the cream with a butter or an oil. In this video, I'm using a butter, but don't be worried. I'll leave all the details down below. And then I use a gel or a cream styler to set my style. LCOS, liquid cream oil styler. Is that too much? My fat, juicy twist, especially because I have fine natural hair. Also, let's pause for the cause and praise how the hair gods have delivered me from hair damnation. Just compare my hair to how it looked a year ago. It was a hot mess. So yeah, y'all, I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.